Want to know how to scan IoT devices with Tenable quickly and effectively? In this video, I'll break down how to get started with Tenable's powerful scanning capabilities, especially when it comes to IoT devices. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of the process, plus a special bonus for accessing Tenable for free. Keep watching. Before we dive into the scanning process, you should know that Tenable makes it easy to assess the security of IoT devices across your network. This platform is known for its vulnerability management and continuous monitoring, which helps you stay ahead of any potential security risks. The first thing you'll need to do is set up your Tenable account. If you haven't already, check out the first link in the description below to sign up and get an exclusive free trial. I'll explain how you can leverage Tenable's full features to get started. Next thing to know, once you're set up, you'll need to configure your scan settings. This includes defining your scanning targets. With IT devices, these can be anything from smart thermostats to security cameras, printers, or other network-connected equipment. Tenable allows you to target specific devices on your network by IP range, or even specific ports and protocols. Moving on, the third thing to consider is choosing the right skin template. Tenable provides several templates that you can customize based on your needs. For scanning IoT devices, you'll likely want to use the Basic Network Scan template. This gives you a solid baseline for detecting vulnerabilities and provides detailed information on the devices within your network. The fourth thing to understand is the importance of scheduling scans. Tenable's platform allows you to schedule scans at regular intervals to ensure continuous monitoring of your IoT devices. You can set this up based on your risk tolerance, whether it's weekly, monthly, or in real time. Now let's talk about the results. Once your scan is complete, Tenable will generate a report with detailed findings on vulnerabilities found within your IoT devices. These results will include severity ratings, risk analysis, and specific recommendations on how to address each issue. This gives you everything you need to make informed decisions on securing your devices. The sixth thing to note is Tenable's integration with other tools. For example, if you're using SIEM tools or other security platforms, you can integrate Tenable to streamline your vulnerability management processes. This makes it easier to manage IT device security across larger, more complex environments. Next up, don't forget about Tenable's ability to track vulnerabilities over time. It's one thing to scan once, but ongoing monitoring is crucial. Tenable helps you continuously track and assess any changes in your IoT device landscape, so you'll never be caught off guard by a new vulnerability. To wrap up, you now have a basic understanding of how to scan IT devices with Tenable. From setting up your account, choosing the right templates, to analyzing your scan results, Tenable makes it straightforward and effective. Plus, as I mentioned, you can access Tenable completely for free with our exclusive bonus through the first link below. So, don't wait. Click the link in the description, get started with Tenable, and ensure your IoT devices are secure today. Thanks for watching!